Yeah.
People, you don't know a real bad cat I represent for that channel. Principle.
Yes, my people, booming. Welcome again. You don't know, so you're on the Principle Organic Farm today. As we said, today a slaughtering day. And right now, me have alongside me Profo.
Yeah.
See me, I say General himself.
Yeah.
My pre the plucker, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So you don't know we have things set up. Yeah. I'll be told them I take time go and pick out the choices where we are dealing with the idea. Yeah. Don't know I say slaughtering I go on. Hot water on fire. Yeah. So over here so now we tell us so if we not have the running water for wash down the feather them with the plucker, we have water for chewing the right away on. Yeah. From here so after we boom take them out of the plucker, them go in this water here so you know to cool down. Yeah. Then we're gonna put them on the table, the slaughtering table where we use and you know clean them up. And then from we clean them up there so yeah, we make certain give them a wash off this so again. And then to the ice. Right here, so you got to have a next ice water here so to cool them down, both cool down and wash off at the same time. Right here, so you got to have the ice in this one and also some water with it to cool them down. So as you say, people, you don't know, say booming and the Principle up and running, you know, so now just add on the chicken now and make certain so the thing keep booming. That is it, you know. Profo, what go on?
Up and running, you know.
Yes, sir.
Fully, you know.
Yes, sir. I'm not there over this, but me too need have that to catch your blood whenever I put it in. Right, so after that.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that.
Yes, sir.
The boss. Chunchi, you know.
Principal himself.
Principal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
As some gizzard, that's what I look about.
Yeah.
That lady there look about the chicken foot.
Yeah, man.
I be a waste there, so now.
Yeah, man.
You try them and something we don't want for you. You
Yes,
know?
sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So some booming work I put in, you know, man. Yo, tell people, Jano, it's a booming buy over here, so. The machine here, terrible, like, whoa. It a put in.
It needs maintenance.
Yeah,
Like a car.
yeah, man, it a put in the work.
You proud of this?
Yeah, man, the
We
proud
love
of
this,
it
we
too,
love
man.
this.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so Stinger show up this morning and
Yes.
come with him picking finger
Yeah,
them.
man. I mean, I cut up some
Yeah, man.
gizzard and some, you know, some liver and...
Him no forward there with him picking finger, them people say him come for pick chicken.
Yes,
We
sir.
make him know say picking out of it. Yeah, man, picking out of it. So after we finish people here, so we move them to the ice water. Yeah. So you don't know we thing go, and we have the washing water over here, so the water you know, we have the water you know for we work with the plucker.
Reserve.
Yeah, over here, so as you can see, we change the water here regular now because this is the hot water we use like for the chicken them, you know. So we have to change the water regular because a straight professional we are deal with. You see me? We now make it thing look like no Alice nothing. You see me I say? This remember no crab, you know.
And a crab circle.
Yeah, well, remember say no crab circle this, you know. So that's how we are doing it, people. Clean and principle.
Fully.
Stage by stage. That's how we think.
So as soon as this come off, wash off again and clean
Yes,
off and start
that
again.
is it.
Fully, actually, yeah.
Alright, so we have a next batch to deal with people, but you don't know. We are wait processing stage by stage.
We
So
sell
booming.
blood too, you know, we sell blood.
Yeah, you have blood in a bucket there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so all the people them out there we work then this and then that. You can check in with Profo. Profo got full blood food here.
Blood fully.
Booming. Yeah, but we up and running people. So give thanks and enough respect all the time. Watching the Principal channel and also Border Cat and the World Works here. Booming. Every time. Tell them again, no Profo man.
Love or no?
Every time.
But no panic come for.
I'm not smoking.
Man, you can't smoke that, Nicky. No, you have to smoke before you go.
Anything what you do is a mindset thing. You tell yourself, say, and that no one do.
Yes, sir, yeah. Catch you, know, this one can put them a quick stuff. Yeah, it's two cut you make for the bottom, I say, you know.
No, for the lower part.
Yeah, for the lower.
Bono.
Nah, work with no button.
Just easy,
Bono.
for the lower part. Bono!
Bottom there, son. Bottom one boy, no.
Once upon the lower part.
Yeah,
Hey,
we don't
man,
wanna see that,
easy,
son.
you know.
therefore, they don't care bottom.
No.
Oh, done, me don't know that I fall, you know.
Yeah, go like you pass on the machine, so Stinger.
He pass it to me now.
Watch it, boy.
He
Go
pass
like
it
you
to
pass on the
me.
machine.
He make sure you don't work. This coming like when him a do cement work.
Yeah.
And them a put
You
cement
can't test him on the song.
Yeah, man, a wicked man.
That's why I keep for you know.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we don't can't do it now. I'm fast going up, because we would have do it. We would have work on one farm. No, we are at 200 pounds looking every man. Sometime I'm more. The man inside to come down my phone.
Shut up! Shut up!
And I go, the man inside
Shut up,
to come
man.
down my phone. Yeah, now put in a
Shut up.
because you don't slow me up.
The ball too much.
Yeah,
And you're going to die. Go die.
Yes, people with the you not go and do put in the work, you know, you don't know. And so we stay in Jamaica here, you know, these type of thing where you see are going right here, so now. After the youth them, we directly decide say they not give up, them not keep on, not care how the system are hold we down, we are try.
Try
You see me, so now watch me, we are try.
Yeah, we are try
watch the
something.
youth them when they are with me too. I try them, I
Me
try
too.
and give me a strength.
Well,
Hanging work, I want when them boy don't fuck with me, make good on the going there.
Yes, you want to work there?
Yeah, I want to hang
Last man I get that work then you miss a one day and you want to take you.
I like to still find it up.
I want to hang them.
Still find Pierce, still find
Still
Pierce.
find and wicked. Tell them just thing up,
You see how you want to them people
Yeah,
that
go
we
I
are
want to do this.
Go on and work there.
Me want blood up.
Hang boys with them. So when they do fuck, man, they too wicked, man. Man, they too dangerous.
Show them, yeah.
Man, they take care of a little baby girl with gone with.
Yes, sir.
He ain't like so we are eating. And for little pity
Yeah,
them.
man.
You take care of little pity them.
Right now, as soon as we throw a feather, they throw them fall in this machine with the feather, we get them back out without feather. You see me? Yeah, show you what I go on. So we go say boom. And we dip them in the hot water like this. Store them on. You know, according to the temperature of water. Now we switch it, the foot, because we want the foot them to strip right away too. So we switch the foot, that's the other one can get some of the hot water too. Yeah, as you can see, from me take, whoa! People don't watch that. All of them something in their life. You see me I say? Yeah, and they don't do nothing we good.
No.
Yeah, so now we do something. And him. All I fed of them are washed down around here, so. Right, I mean,
No, I don't want to go pretty. Now, Nicky again.
You pay that blood.
I'm more like that. I need this, you know.
Can dry them.
Where's chicken?
Get your thing there.
Like Dongo Fall. Me usually see them dry them something here. And take it boil tea.
Fancy.
Yeah, yellow something out of it.
vomiting.
It's vomiting and it's two of them.
Yeah, they usually pick out the something out of this.
Yes.
Yeah, out of gizzard, the yellow something.
I wonder if
And
nobody
then
remember
dry.
something.
And
Yeah,
then use
catch
it
this
to
now, Leo.
boil tea.
But me not think
It's
of
a
them kind
livestock,
of.
you know.
But me not think of them kind of for you.
No, it don't go fall. Don't go fall.
Yeah.
No, them one I don't go fall.
For them when it's rot or something.
Yeah, man.
So the butcher are murderer.
Yeah, well. So as you say, people, once him come out of the machine, we are going to have him like this after we put him in the full of feather. So, them call it plucker. But see plucker they over there, so.
Over there,
so
sir.
Stinger at the plucker.
Yes. See me,
These
man.
are the D-feather machine.
Okay.
You understand the machine when I run here, so named D-feather because it gets rid of the
Take for the half. Take for the half.
People, let me tell you now, all of them general, the way out there, we are draw up all them something, we give them easy work. What we do not find nothing for me. If you open the chicken and take out him, go to something. We do,
Again.
Yeah, we want to find one of them machine. They come here, so have machine where I scrape a gun and something, you know. Yeah, man, me, so them are going
Something we kill it. Cut off made.
And I see them human, them I use them brain and I make them, you know.
Look come here now. Look come here now.
Yeah, because right now,
How we invent this?
to the
Cut
amount
off
of
head.
yes,
In the butter.
booming.
Either cut off, in a butter.
Yeah,
Now the tamper with.
yes.
Think about that.
Then I put 2 chicken in the water like this, as you say. Move him around, make certain say the water soak him body.
Yes.
And I put the down
Take
there
it
so
off,
I
take
get
it
warm
off.
water. Then I switch now and hold this
Make much like.
and switch you over. So you know people, if you don't hear some I have cold in me and them tomorrow, you know say I
And that's
work.
it, yeah.
I work, you don't know.
Work how we do?
Because the work
What we do?
have to put in. You see me? Work have to put in. The cold and a problem. You know, you work on the cold.
And the hot.
You work have to put in. You see me I say something? So I go on right now. We take out them 2 here. Full of feather like this. Well soaked in the water.
Look like a machine now.
Boom and move to the machine.
Look to the machine.
Drop.
Yeah, come look like that, yeah.
Water
Come.
and them.
Girl, it's a fast man show the machine here. Show them here.
Now one machine with the machine stay. Yeah, and the feathers come out down there some people. Show them say feather come out down there. Yeah. So and that's the thing that is. As me I tell you say, very easy work. Bam, turn it off. Look, when me take out the chicken people, see it there? And I joke me, you will only have one few feather we are stiff up. And as you, when me say you have 2 feathers stiff up, I think you people must understand what we are talking about.
Prepare.
These are the way where we are trying to show you. See, not everybody are the same thing. You have people who are easy and you have people who are hard. So you take out those feather, the feather them where you see come out. It means that them people are the easy people. So them one where you feather them where you see leave back like one and few feather. I people them where we are tough up. More time they end up all prison and jail. And that's
Are them dead?
Yeah, but you know how the thing go already, people. So you don't know me. I'm going to work. I'm here work to the proper. And me have my
Real
general
Mad Max.
in our community over
Yes.
there. So Stinger
Stinger
yourself.
blinger, you know.
Yeah, man, you don't know where we go. And over there, so me have my sister. And you don't know, say, wife did
A wife with that.
And one of my kids that they on the camera, Chrissa.
Behind the camera.
Yes,
Yes,
Chrissa
man.
did this, so I don't know where she have video. She have tried something.
Try them. Yeah. They put our own.
Yeah, so we out in the people and you don't know no more, you know. Like, subscribe and share to the channel. Booming up the principal thing because you know, so we're not lazy.
Fully
we
action.
always have thing going on. Yeah,
Active.
we look out for people. just the same. So no care. If you're on your face, nothing now if you go on for me. I can't give you a dumpling out of my powder flour. And that's what I think there. Yeah. Yeah, but I fully print. Man.
Your foot cut?
Yeah.
Who foot cut?
I fall blood fly upon my foot.
I hear him.
Chrissa, if your foot cut, Chrissa, go and get your foot
Don't
clean
bleed
out.
out. Don't bleed out, here.
And put up the phone.
And put the phone down.
Don't bleed out there, don't bleed out.
And more pay. You did the video before you more pay attention to your cut.
No. Shadow, I'll keep it up. Shadow, I'll keep it.
You have to watch him, you know, sometimes some people see me end up on a show or something, you know, and just the one side of video, you know.
Yes, yes, I see that through. Oh, you can't see there. Yeah.
You should go and make him put 2 little alcohol for me.
And wipe
Walk
off.
a set up. Walk on this.
Yeah, man, I them, yeah, go man.
I mean, remember some peroxide supposed to do this.
Sing, I go like a pass on the machine, I can pray. You know where you go and say, you know.
I cross it on me.
Yeah.
I got green. You guys get here. One level one. More cross it on me. One level one.
One tree of blessed people, drop and take out. Drop and take out.
You can't cross on the killer.
You want to know the chicken with the family?
Yes, always, always.
And I see him think me I do too much.
Yes,
You.
yes.
Yeah.
And I'm me used to that, right?
I do for them response sign idea.
Alright, sir. I like 1,000.
You know what I say? If you tell them you truth people, you more good than little joke. People. Can't come down a little while and super coconut off one chicken head.
And walk there.
Yeah, you can't take it. You can't take it, peeps. You see me? Yeah, him run gone. Run gone.
And I hold on with that.
Yeah, manage your brother, I'm not for a word back. Them gonna have a rum.
Yeah, man. It's alright.
Yeah, man.
Them
Them gonna
Ballad, come see to the dog.
Yes.
That man knows look good on a business.
Yeah, man. You put you with them
Dad,
man,
come
you
see it,
put
man.
them
And I hit him more of a seat.
Yeah, man. Just directly as a real father and so, where I certain things from them and no one else. We should be the one to make certain.
My grandfather hide things from me.
Yeah,
Me and I nothing from them.
yeah. You hide things from them, Papa.
Certain things.
Okay, now you're talking. Now you're talking, bro.
What if you highlight them? You have to know it.
Now you're talking.
Okay.
People, if you are foreign, I want to make you order, I can deliver it here. Yeah, man, me deliver to foreign to so I can order. The real thing is, its name is Principal Organic Chicken. You understand? Principal Organic Chicken. Yeah. Yeah, I'm showing you directly how we deal with the thing. Yeah. So you don't know.
Yeah.
And that's how we think there right now. As we say, cat see a one chicken die or more, you can't manage him. Say not that tomorrow.
And I'm brother, the murder. Tell it.
Can't afford to swallow.
Brother, the killer. Again,
Look over there, sir.
come out here.
I don't want to look. Water did it. Back of water. We have to buy it. Stinger?
Yeah.
Stinger, the Roman Pepsi business there. Mind what you're doing now?
Hold up.
What's the leppy?
Yeah,
Leppy Pepsi.
Go do it like your friend Oli.
Yeah, Leppy Pepsi.
Say, hold up, play. That's all.
Isla? Yeah, I think I'm going to drop Isla.
What you have around there?
More one time to drop him in.
You're not going to 24
On the room.
You're going there, man. You're going there already. Remember, me tell us you're going at 24 already.
When I said 24 plus them,
Then I move out already, plus you're going there already, brother.
Because this is 7.
Mind you drink too much, you know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Because I know me do more than 10
Oh,
since
you
I
mean
come
some
out.
don't want to lie. So you mean
I mean,
you're going
me
at
do more than 10
24
since I
so
come
good,
out.
break.
Me no mind what you want to do.
No.
Thing I don't want to break. Me
Me
no
have a
Me
pretend.
no want no
Me have a
want
pretend. Break,
You know one done.
You see me I do them
Break
fast.
for show.
He come to you fuck with me or he kill a ball.
No.
Kill a ball and try play cardboard break.
Hold on.
Yeah.
A machine we are running up. This not say tired enough.
In a year for I beg you do. In a year for I beg you do.
General, one segment that round here.
Yeah.
Like 13.
I had the thing in it.
One segment.
I'll do a receive what I'm going right there now. And they were. Yeah. Chrissa. Second day. Check in back with the people them if they come now. Who get the ice. The boy in there be a game him a play now. You think him easy? You wouldn't mind him now for that school just to play a game, you know? Remember me tell you. One Jojo. A Jojo wake up, Jojo play all this morning. But we know me attack from what here. This morning we pass up there and see him on the game and get up and go in.
When do a morning time, put the chair in the local passage that's not like the door.
You know me talk about it from what you're not telling me, say, we find something and do because you need to help out your mother or something, to make your mother proud. Get up and go in this morning.
Yeah, you go in and put the chair right behind the door that's
I don't want to take you.
Yeah.
Today night. This morning, Sigis Arena.
Run them around and get caught. You know.
We can't stop you now. Where's Elias?
I never know someone could have seen a man where we could on a de-feather machine. The machine de-feather in a like 10 to 8 seconds. He de-feather a chicken and me put like 2 or 3 in the one time. And this man continue with the machine like say well in wicked on the machine. So we have to call him plucker and call that de-feather. So yeah, so we have Stinger the plucker.
Yeah, the plucker, man.
Yeah, man, a big name that we are getting now.
Yeah,
You see me say if you're a man short as plucker, look around here.
No matter what.
Yeah, man, look around, man. Plucker.
General.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Everything I want.
Yes, sir. Here, sir, them are separate gizzard, liver, and neck. Over here, sir, and foot. They must separate them different. You have Nicky a deal with that. And I said, should they make certain so the inside of the chicken well clean. You see what I say? Because anything we do, a professional. Remember, say we don't want to see nobody now go see nobody else with this you are white.
Yeah, you see them a chicken here.
Oh,
them I do better and best
No, we
dress.
have tiny
Them I do better and best dress.
yeah, we have more than one tile.
This one a best dress.
bathroom, so we can't do that.
Yes, Stinger, me not hold up the time, brother. We are
And this is
Stinger,
the cooling
yes, sir.
down process.
Stinger run your ground though. But we can't say Leah run, we can't say Stinger run your ground because watch ya. You are do what you have to do, you have to do it good. And Stinger do what you have to do and have to do it good.
Because sometimes it clean off look like feather tail.
Yeah, because we pass through. Because at the end of the day, people, you see how much somebody one chicken pass you? You pass through me with the de-feather, then you forward back to the plucker man. Then you forward to the person we are wash.
And if listen to
So-
your pan, me will take care.
Here another pan phone. And we are talking. You think you can trick nobody?
Feather.
You're another pan phone.
I'm feather, man. Yeah, man, in the year with the pan, we take them out.
Yeah, it's a feather, you know? Yeah, man, I want that.
Punchy, Chris, I say the lady come.
Eh?
The lady come. The actor, Chef Ice Chris.
Booming, as we say, people, at the final act, we just finish up. See me so right now, this is the most important thing. We make certain say the work, give we a little more time. We give the pan from morning anyway, but you understand if I never the machine, I would have done the pan till night. So, prefer have the machine now, we will get it clean off. Yeah, so I say down so we feather them come out. See me so we just get the feather them now together and get them buried. You see me I say? Papa, get the wall. Get the wall. We not, yeah. Get the wall too. Yeah, spray off it. Or use the bucket and throw the water.
That week, right? Week.
Yeah. This is a power week. So, yes, people. Yeah, man, thanks for watching. Yeah, you don't know, some of the family and friends in there. I put together and I make certain say the food prepared the right way and out and running. You see me I say? That is it. You see me I say? Enough respect every time. Love all life fans them. Booming. Like and share up the video them. And you don't know say it's a principle. Every time. You see me I say? When me I tell them say this a white fowl, this a no geese. We are deal with this cleaner and deal with it like a lease. Up you know, booming.